Every man wants to be powerful, respected, and unshakable, but only a few have the discipline to become that kind of man. Strength is not built in comfort. It is built through structure, focus, and control. In this video, I want to tell you 20 strong habits you must build if you want to move like a beast. Hello guys, welcome to another important video from Masculine Volt. Visit our blog at www.masculinevolt.com to read more interesting and educative contents about masculinity, masculine dating, men's health, men's success, finances, and a lot more. Back to our video of the day. Let me tell you, these rules are not just lessons. They are a code. A code for men who want to rise above weakness, dominate their environment, and live with purpose. Follow them daily and you will build the mindset, presence, and discipline of a true alpha. 1. Wake up earlier than every man around you. The earlier you rise, the stronger your control over the day. Wake up before the world and use the quiet hours to train, plan, and build. Early mornings sharpen focus and discipline. While others sleep, you are creating power. That consistency sets you apart from weak men who waste their mornings doing nothing. 2. Train until pain becomes normal. You must train your body and mind to survive pressure. Push beyond your limits until pain becomes familiar. Do not stop when it hurts, stop when you are done. Pain builds strength, both physical and mental. When others quit, you keep going. That mindset turns you into a beast who does not fear struggle. 3. Control every emotion. The man who controls his emotions controls his world. Never let anger, sadness, or fear control your actions. Stay calm under any pressure. People respect men who stay in control when things fall apart. Power is not about reacting, it is about mastering yourself. 4. Move in silence. Never announce your every move. Work quietly, build privately, and let your results do the talking. A silent man builds mystery and strength. The loudest one is usually the weakest. When people cannot predict your next step, they cannot stop you. Silence keeps your power safe. 5. Be ruthless with time. Time is your most valuable weapon. Use it wisely. Every hour must serve your goals. Do not waste time on gossip, lazy people, or things that do not build your future. Weak men waste time on pleasure. Strong men use time to create legacy. 6. Eliminate distractions. Distractions kill focus and destroy progress. Stay off useless habits that take your mind away from your goals. Discipline yourself to stay focused even when you do not feel like it. What you give attention to grows. Choose to grow your mission, not your distractions. 7. Control your desires. Never let pleasure control your life. Lust, greed, or addiction will weaken your purpose. A beast controls his urges and never lets women or fun take his focus away. Master your desires before they master you. That is how strong men stay in power. 8. Keep your circle small and solid. Surround yourself with loyal and strong people. A few real friends are better than a crowd of fake ones. Choose those who share your vision and push you forward. Do not mix with lazy or jealous men. Energy is contagious. Protect yours. 9. Master your body language. Your presence should speak before your mouth does. Stand tall, walk straight, and make calm movements. Speak with confidence and hold steady eye contact. The way you carry yourself tells people whether to respect or test you. Move like a man who leads. 10. Never beg for respect. Respect cannot be forced. It is earned through action, not words. Keep your word, stay consistent, and people will treat you with honor. Never chase validation or approval. Men who demand respect rarely get it. Men who live with discipline command it naturally. 11. The unpredictable. Never let people know your next move. Keep your goals private and stay flexible. When others cannot read you, they cannot control you. Predictable men are easy to manipulate. Unpredictability makes you dangerous and respected. Always move with purpose, not emotion. 12. Speak with purpose. Every word you say must have value. Speak less, but say what matters. Think before you talk. Empty talk weakens your image. People listen when a man of few words speaks. The more silent you are, the more powerful your words become. 13. Stay calm under pressure. When problems come, stay composed. Panic shows weakness. Calm men lead because they think clearly. Pressure exposes real strength. Keep your breathing steady and your mind focused. Control the situation by controlling yourself. 14. Keep your word always. Your word is your honor. If you say something, do it. Never promise what you cannot deliver. People trust men who stay true to their words. Reliability earns respect faster than charm. A man's word is his silent contract with the world. 15. Embrace solitude. Be comfortable being alone. Solitude builds clarity and strength. You learn who you are when the noise is gone. Weak men need constant company. Strong men need peace. Alone time sharpens focus and builds independence. 16. Study every day. A beast trains his mind as much as his body. Read, learn, and improve daily. Knowledge gives you power that strength alone cannot. The more you know, the harder it is to deceive or control you. Growth is a daily choice. 17. Build financial power. Money gives freedom, not identity. Learn to manage it wisely. Save, invest, and stay away from debt. Financial control protects your time and choices. Real men build wealth silently and never depend on others for survival. 18. Never show weakness publicly. Keep your struggles private. Handle your problems like a soldier, quietly and with control. The world does not care about your pain, it respects your strength. Show results, not emotions. Privacy protects your dignity. 19. Stay loyal to your purpose. Your mission should guide every choice you make. Do not let temporary pleasure or emotion take you off your path. Loyalty to purpose gives you direction and identity. When you move with purpose, you move like a beast. 20. Lead without fear. Leadership is not about talking, it is about action. Take responsibility, protect those who follow you, and stay firm under pressure. Lead with strength and fairness. Fearless leaders inspire loyalty because people trust their courage and control. In conclusion, these 20 rules define the foundation of masculine power. They teach you to stay disciplined, silent, and focused when others waste time and lose control. Follow them, and you will separate yourself from average men who live without purpose. The real beast does not talk about strength. He lives it every day through his actions, discipline, and results. Thanks for watching to the end. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's build a community of high-value men who dominate every area of life. See you in our next video.